Do you want to save $70,000 off your next new construction house with the ability to get a 4.99% interest rate? Welcome to Wembley Park. We're here in Hermitage, Tennessee, just 25 minutes to downtown Nashville, and these homes are going quick. They're having huge discounts with everything that's going on. So today we're going to look at two of their floor plans, and so you can see exactly what it looks like to live in a new construction that's discounted. Let's check it out. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Logan Rhea, realtor with the Pro 25 Group with Simply Home out here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you are looking to move, buy, sell, or invest, let me know. My team and I would love to help you out. All of our info is below in the comments section, so just hit us up and we'll get an appointment scheduled with you. Otherwise, let's get back to the video. Peace. So when buying new construction, a lot of times you can actually design and pick out things that you want, whether it's certain cabinets, certain fixtures, different design elements, and that's actually where we are right here. The builder is Grandview Custom Homes, and they actually allow you to pick out tons of different cabinetry, so you can see all of the different designs that they have. You got your neutral zone, your warm fuzzies, my personal favorite, the grayscale, your ebony and ivory, and a lot more drama mama, warm neutrals. So phase two, there's 16 homes left, and you can build from the ground up and move in whenever you want in the next 3 to 6 months, but they're starting construction right now. So we're gonna keep looking though and take a look at the rest of this model home. So let's come check it out. Well, hello there.
Hello there.
So these homes are going to range anywhere from 1,900 to 2,676 square feet. This home specifically is the garden home model, and we are looking at a $590 price point just because everything in here is the model home. It's custom designed, creme de la creme, best of the best. But let's just check it out. So this is basically the family room that they have down here. You can see all the natural light coming in and flooding in. This is the main entrance right over here. Then as you walk, you have your kitchen nook, table area, and your tons of counter space right here. This leads into the primary bedroom, which is on the first floor. The garden has one or two bedrooms on the first floor. So this is where the primary bedroom will be. And then dual vanity, walk-in shower, walk-in closet, and toilet over here. But something about this as well is the ability to add a second bedroom downstairs if you wanted to. So this also leads into the washroom and then back into the design room that we were just in. The design room normally would be a 2-car garage, very spacious. You can see how big it could fit. This one though, actually once they're done selling all these homes, they will convert this back into a garage. So let's go check out the upstairs. So as we walk upstairs, we walk right into a huge, spacious, open landing. There is kind of a bathroom that connects everyone up here, but as I'm walking right behind me is just a regular secondary bedroom. They have 2 twin beds in here, and then a very spacious closet. Like, whew, look at this thing. So many activities. And it leads back into the grand room, the landing over here, into another bedroom right up here. So there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. And then this leads right into the bathroom that has a door to shut off for privacy. Then a shared full bathroom in here, and then another sink over here. So basically the public can access it, you can shut it off, and then you can access it as well. So let's go take a look at the other model home called the Garden, which is a little bit smaller, and we can see what that looks like compared to this one. Welcome back. So this is the next home, which is called the Charlotte Plan. This is 3 beds, 3.5 baths, 2,200 plus square feet. And this one's on sale for $546. They just dropped that price. So we're standing in the kitchen right here. You can tell not just because the builder's name is Granville Custom Home Builders, but this is a grand kitchen. Beautiful countertops. This is actually one of their gold platinum plans that they have. You can see there is, compared to the model, the fridge is missing, invisible, and non-existent, just like some of those investment properties that you don't have yet. And this is the den and the kitchen area. They have a really cool electric fireplace, and then a private fence that leads right outside. If the door would open, just like that, we're outside. Perfect for a game of cornhole. You have a dog, not much to do, but that's the only maybe negative of some of the new construction homes is a lot of times they're close together, but that's okay if you don't spend a whole lot of time, and there's a community center, dog park, things like that. The garage, located right over here, 2-car garage. They also have your half bath right there, your mud room where your washer and dryer are, and then your 2-car garage. And then lastly, the primary bedroom, which is on the first floor as well. So let's check that out. Right over here. So it's carpet, it's about 10-foot ceilings. You have just your classic fan, natural light coming in, and then basic bathroom, your dual vanity, bathroom, walk-in shower, tub, gets the job done. And actually, sorry, there's no tub, but there is a walk-in closet. Let's check out the upstairs. Walking upstairs, we land in the landing. This is all carpet, nothing's here, not staged. Obviously, as you walk, natural light coming in. This has a similar bedroom and bathroom connector to the outside. So you walk in and you have your sink right there, your full bathroom over here, combo tub shower, and then it leads right into the next bedroom and bathroom with your sink, closet, and then bedroom right behind me. So this is the secondary bedroom, very spacious, really large. I would say this looks like 13 by 12. I don't have the exact dimensions on me. So back into the landing up here, and then this is the 3rd bedroom on the 2nd floor. Even bigger, around 12 by 13 feet, 12 by 14. And probably my best thing is this closet. Let's go. Pretty massive. So that was the Charlotte plan. There's a lot more communities out here in Hermitage, Tennessee. If you want to tour the houses, let me know. My team and I can help you out, and we can get a tour set up for you before they go. So once again, Logan Rhea, investor and agent, and thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll do a lot more new construction home tours, and let me know in the comments if there's a new construction community that you want to see, and we will go tour that. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Peace.